So I am super happy with the results, and I want you guys to definitely try this eye treatment. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. After so many years, I am finally sharing a DIY dark circle treatment. So the best thing about this treatment is not only is it going to treat your dark circles, it's going to treat your under eye fine lines and wrinkles as well. So it is the cheapest and the only eye treatment that you will ever need, and it is so effective. So the two ingredients you need are evening primrose oil. We're going to use this straight from the capsule. If you find it without being in a capsule, you can definitely use that. And we're going to use licorice root extract. So the reason I picked these two ingredients are because, first of all, you can apply them to your skin safely. There's no side effects. And with licorice root extract, what it is it's like the sweet thing that they add to licorice to sweeten it, but it has natural lightening properties. What that means is if you've got any darkness, even not underneath your eyes, if you've got darkness on your skin or anything like that, like hyperpigmentation, it's actually naturally gonna lighten that area. So a lot of expensive like under eye treatments, they actually have this ingredient in them, and what we're doing is we're going to be putting this in the oil and applying it directly on our skin. So the reason I'm pairing this with evening primrose oil is because evening primrose oil is such a fatty oil. It's gonna like hold the licorice extract, but it's also going to really plump up your under eyes and really like hydrate underneath your eyes, removing dark circles and fine lines. And like it's, oh, you guys are gonna love it so much. So I actually have been using this treatment for a couple of weeks now, and I'm in love. I don't want to use any other treatment ever again. It is super easy to do and like super cheap to make. I'm gonna link all the products that I use down below, but FYI, don't use too much treatment. You literally just need like the tiniest bit and you will get the best effects. So this is what it looks like. It's like this dark liquid, but the other thing is because it's like water and liquid, it kind of separates. So just mix it every time you use it, and now I'm gonna show you how to use it. Hi guys, today is day 1 of me applying my dark circle cream. So as you can see that I do have some dark circles. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in just to show you how they look. My dark circles are mainly probably because I tug my skin a lot. I don't sleep much, and also the problem is that I've got really thin skin underneath my eyes, and so that just shows a lot of the dark circles that I have. So this is my dark circles on day 1, and I'm going to be using my eye cream, eye gel, whatever it is, eye oil. And one thing I forgot to mention is that I'm also going to be using a face massage tool underneath my eyes. So this is the other thing I really wanted to try and like see the actual effects over a week. So this is a little rose quartz massaging tool. You can get these online. So I usually like to use a gua sha tool underneath my eyes, but I'm just going to be using this tiny roller ball every night, and I'm going to be doing this underneath my eyes, and then I'm just going to see like, you know, like does it have any positive effects, does it have any negative effects. So this is my dark circle situation right now. I'm gonna apply my eye cream. I'm actually gonna head off to bed soon, and then I will show you day 3. Okay, so it is a good idea to get like a contact lens case or any other little case and put this in that case and store it that way. Just shake it really well every time you use it, and seriously guys, use the tiniest amount. As you can see on my first day using it, I literally put so much underneath my eyes, and then when I went to blend it, I was like, what do I do with this? So I wanted to wipe it off, but I literally just blended it out, and the massaging tool has made the biggest difference to the blue tones underneath my eyes. So yeah. Hi guys, today is day 3 and I want to give you guys a dark circle update. As you can see, my dark circles are still there, obviously, but they're not like as dark as they were on day one. But one thing I need to mention is that do not put too much of the oil on, otherwise it will get in your eyes and it is also hard to blend out. So the first day I realized I put too much on, and then it took me some time to like blend it in, and then my eye area felt really oily. So only put like the tiniest bit, and that's what I've been doing. I've been putting like a tiny drop and then just like blending it in, and it's been perfect. So I can already see a slight difference in my under eye circles, not too much, but I don't expect anything to work like magic because obviously it's not magic, it's just licorice extract. But this is my dark circle situation on day 3. Hi guys, it is now day 5 and I'm gonna show you guys my under eye situation. So as you can see, it's definitely like there's definitely a difference since day 1. I feel like I am wearing like barely any concealer, and before this treatment I used to wear color corrector and concealer. So as you can see, my dark circles are a lot better. I know that they're still there, and obviously I can't get rid of them completely because I don't have perfect skin and I can't be expected to have perfect skin, but I can definitely see that the effect is good. One thing that I want to mention is that not only are my dark circles disappearing naturally, which is great, but I feel like my wrinkles are also going away. So I have a lot of wrinkles right there because I obviously use a lot of makeup and I tug my skin and I'm just really nasty with my under eye area. I also really hate putting under eye creams on or any under eye things on, so I've been really slack. So my under eye area has really been suffering, but I think that because of the evening Primrose Oil, because it's so fatty, it's actually really done wonders for my under eye area. It does feel oily in the morning, so I usually don't cleanse in the morning, but lately I have to cleanse in the morning because it's so oily, but I don't mind that at all. So this is day 5 and I am already seeing a big difference. So please let me know if you see a difference, and I'm gonna see you guys at day 7. Hi guys, it is now day 7 and this is my under eye area. I am like actually really happy with the results. So it's not like a dramatic change, but I can definitely see some lightening, and that's what I actually expected because licorice extract is so strong and it's natural, but it's quite strong. So I was expecting it to like naturally lighten anyways, and I can definitely see a really big difference. So I do have a little bit of darkness, and if I apply concealer, just one layer should be enough to get rid of this dark circles that I actually have right now. But I am actually quite happy with the results of this treatment and I want you guys to try it. Overall the treatment is great. It's extremely cheap to make, extremely easy just to apply. I applied it last thing at night after my moisturizer, and I made sure that my under eye area had nothing else. The eye massage felt great, and I would highly recommend to use something really gentle under the eyes like this. I'm going to continue to use this eye serum, eye gel, whatever it is. I'm going to continue to use it for as long as I can, and I will show you guys my under eyes. So this is amazing considering that I had panda eyes, you know, a couple of years ago. Even especially after I gave birth, my under eye area was like crazy. So I am super happy with the results, and I want you guys to definitely try this eye treatment and let me know how you go. And that's it guys, this is my eyes on day 7. Oh, I mean 7.